Hello everyone. Here in this video series we will solve some additional problems of the quadratic equations. So the very first question is, which of the following are quadratic equations? To solve such kind of the problems we should have some background knowledge about the standard form of the quadratic equations. What is the standard form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the powers of the variables should be whole numbers, that is whole numbers. So what is the powers of the variables whole numbers? It can be written as ax square plus bx to the power 1 plus cx to the power 0, right? See here, the power of the x is 2 here, the power of x is 1, and the power of x is 0 here. See, these 2, 1, 0, these are what? Whole numbers. These are what? Whole numbers. And in order to call any equation as a quadratic equation, highest power of the quadratic, highest power should be how much? Highest power should be equal to 2. So therefore, let us compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. See, it can be written as given equation x square plus 6x plus minus 4 is equal to 0. What he had given, a is equal to 1 here, if nothing is here 1, and what is b is equal to c, and what is c is equal to minus 4. See, as it is in the form of the standard form quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, therefore the given equation is it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question now. What he had given for the next question now. Here let us take the LCM first. What is the LCM? 2 here, and I need to multiply with 2. I need to multiply with 2 here with 1. See what happens? 2 root 3 x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, 2 root 3 x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 into 2 is 0. You take it to the right hand side, what happens? 0. See, and you compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And what is a here? A is equal to 2 root 3. What is b here? B is equal to minus 4. What is c here? C is equal to 1. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question. What you had given in the problem, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM here? X square, if nothing is there, and 1, and you need to multiply with x square. X square into x square plus 1 is equal to 5. What is x square into x square? That is x raised to 4 plus 1 divided by x square is equal to 5. You take x square to the right hand side, what happens? X raised to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5x square. You take 5x square to the left hand side, what happens? X square x raised to 4 minus 5x square plus 1 is equal to 0. As the degree of the equation is 4, degree of the above equation is 4, therefore it is 4, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question. X minus 3 by x is equal to x square. Again we need to take LCM here. What is LCM here? Is x into 1. See here it is 1. See, 1 into x is x, minus here also 1. So let us take the next problem now. Here, what is the LCM? What is the LCM here? What is the LCM in this equation? If nothing is here, 1x, and what is the LCM of 1 and x? It is x. If I need to multiply here it with x, and I need to multiply it here with 1. See, x into x is x square, minus 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to x square. X square minus 3, and you take x to the right hand side, what happens? X square into x, and what happens? X square minus 3 is equal to x cube. Everything you take it to the right hand side, what happens? X cube, and it x square go to the right hand side, it becomes minus x square, minus 3 it becomes becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. And you compare this equation, that is x cube minus x square plus the 3 is equal to 0, as the degree of the given equation, is how much? 3. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question now. And now to compare this equation, 2x square minus root 3, it can be written as root 3 into root x, because root AB is equal to, how can I write? Root A into root B. It can be written as A to the power 1 by 2 and B to the power 1 by 2. See what I am writing here? This is root 3 into root x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x square minus root 3, and x is a variable and its power is 1 by 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. As the power of the variable, as the power of x is equal to 1 by 2, and which is not a whole number, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question now. Again, here what I have given, x square minus 2x root x, how will you write? X to the power 1 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. As the power of x is 1 by 2, as the power of x is, that is x variable, is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number, it is not a whole number, therefore the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Let us move for the next question. 3x square minus 5x, I'm rewriting the equation again. 3x square minus 5x plus the 9 is equal to x square minus 7x plus the 3. Everything you take it to the left hand side, what happens? 3x square, x square, when it comes to the left hand side it becomes minus x square. Here it is minus 5x minus 7x, when it comes to the left hand side it becomes 7x plus 7x plus the 9 plus 3, when it comes to the left hand side it becomes minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x square minus x square is 2x square, minus 5x plus 7x is plus 2x, plus 9 minus 3 is 6 is equal to 0. See, as we can compare this equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and all the powers of x are whole numbers. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 6. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. And let us move for the next question. And what is the LCM here? 1. If nothing is there, it is 1. 1 and x. What is the LCM of 1 and x? It is x. I need to multiply here it with x and here it with 1. X into x is, that is the x square, plus 1 into 1 is 1 is equal to 1. See, this is x square plus 1 is equal to 1. You take it to the x to the left hand side. 1 into x is x, and you take x to the left hand side. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And as the highest, the degree of the equation is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation, and it can be compared with the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Let us go for the next question now. X square minus 3x is equal to 0. X square minus 3x is equal to 0. As the degree of the equation is 2, therefore given equation is a quadratic equation. Directly I can write. Let us move for the next question now. But let be 1. X plus 1 by x bracket square is equal to 3 into the bracket x plus 1 by x. Already you know, my dear students, what is a plus b bracket square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. I'm using this formula here. A plus b bracket square. What is a here? X, and b is 1 by x. That is x square plus 1 by x bracket square plus 2 into a into b, that is 1 by x, which is equal to, you multiply here, 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 1 is 3 by x plus 4, and you do is x square plus 1 on x square. Here x get cancels, plus 2, which is equal to 3x plus 3 by x plus 4. You take everything to the left hand side. What happens here? You take LCM first here. What is the LCM here? X square, and here you multiply x square into 1 into x square. Here what is the LCM on the left hand side? X. You multiply it with x into 1 into x. What happens here? X square into x square, that is x raised to 4 plus 1 plus 2x square. Here 3x square plus 3 plus 4x. And what happens now? Everything x square, x raised to 4 plus 1 plus 2x square. I am taking multiplying this with the cross multiplication. X is equal to x square into the bracket 3x square plus 3 plus 4x, and you multiply here x raised to 5 plus x plus 2 x cube is equal to x square into 3x square is 3x raised to 4 plus 3x square. 4x into x square is 4x cube. Everything you take to the left hand side. X raised to 5 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x cube plus this is minus 3x square. Here what happens? Minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 3x square plus x is equal to 0. As the highest power of the equation is 5, degree of the equation is 5, degree of equation is 5, equation is 5, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. You can stop here also, here itself. Therefore what is the answer? It is not a quadratic equation. Let us go for the next one. You take this left hand side, you multiply the left hand side like this, 2x into what? 3x plus 2 and plus 1 into the bracket 3x plus 2. Similarly you take 6 into the bracket 6 into x into the bracket x minus 2 and minus 1 into the bracket x minus 2, and you simplify this. 2x into 3x is 6x square plus 4x, and this is 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 into x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. And what happens here? 6 into x square minus 3x plus 2 here, and I am simplifying this. 6x square plus 7x plus 2, and you multiply this 6x square plus 7x plus 2, and here 6x square minus 18x plus 12. And what happens? Everything you take it to the left hand side. 6x square minus 6x square plus 7x plus 18x plus 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. 6x square get cancels. What happens here? What remains? 7x plus 18x, that is 25x minus 10 is equal to 0. As the highest power of the degree of the equation is 1, the highest power of the x is 1, degree is 1, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. In order to call a even equation as quadratic equation, the degree should be 2. The degree should be 2. And you take the next equation. X plus 1 by x is equal to x square. What is the LCM on the left hand side? X, and you multiply this with x. X into x is x square, and this is plus 1, which is equal to x square. You take x to the left hand side. What happens? X square plus 1 is equal to x square into x, and x square plus 1 is equal to x cube, and you take right left everything to the left hand side. X cube minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0. As the degree of the equation is 3, as the degree of equation is 3, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Let us go for the next question now. 16x square minus 3 is equal to, you simplify this, so 2x into the bracket 5x minus 3 plus 5 into the bracket 5x minus 3. 16x square minus 3 is equal to 2 into 5 is 10, x into it x square minus 2 into 3 is 6x plus 5 into 5 25x minus 5 into 3 is 15, and we simplify this, so 10x square 25x minus 6x, that is 19x minus 15. 16x square minus 3, everything you take to the left hand side. 16x square minus 10x square minus 19x minus 3 plus 15 is equal to 0. This is 6x square minus 19x plus 12 is equal to 0. As the 6x square minus 19x plus 12 is equal to 0, as it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and degree is equal to 2, degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Let us go for the next one. To take the left hand side, what is the formula? A plus b cube. Which formula I am going to use here? A plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into the bracket a plus b. This is the formula we are going to make use here. X plus 2, that is a plus 2 cube, that is x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into the bracket x plus 2, which is equal to x cube minus 4. What is here? X cube plus 2 cube is what? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 plus 3 into 2 6x into the bracket x plus 2, which is equal to x cube minus 4. X cube plus 8 and 6x into x is 6x square, 6x into 2 is 12x, which is equal to x cube minus 4. Everything you take it to the left hand side. X cube plus 8 minus x cube plus 4, and this is 6x square minus plus 12x is equal to 0. X cube minus x cube get cancels. What happens? 6x square plus 12x, and this is plus 4, which is equal to 0. And the degree of the equation, degree is 2 and is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Let us go for the next question now, and the last one. You take the left hand side. X into x plus 1 plus 8, which is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Already you know, my dear students, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x plus 8 is equal to, this is a plus b, a minus b, that is x square minus b square, that is 2 square is 4. And you take everything to the left hand side. X square plus x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0, and x square minus x square get cancels. X plus 12 is equal to 0. As the degree is 1, degree of the equation is 1, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. So thank you one and all. Let us go for in the next video we will be discussing few more problems on the quadratic equation, additional problems of the quadratic equation. Thank you and have a